Hardest part of the animation coming up, but it doesn't start hard because we create a new layer. We're going to call it line because that's what we'll add. We'll put it in frame 45, so insert a keyframe, and to draw a line we use the brush tool here. So the brush tool, and choose the fill color. I'm going to choose this red color. Now what I will do here is I will just lock the other layers so I don't accidentally change them, because when we go and draw our squiggly line, we are, as ever, going to convert to a symbol. I choose the select tool. Because all these layers are locked out, I can click, making sure that the whole of the red line is enclosed in the area and it won't highlight anything else. And I modify, convert that to a symbol, which I will call line. It will be a graphic. OK, goes in the library. Now in frame 50 we will insert a keyframe. So 45 and 50 keyframes are the same. And back in frame 45 we're going to make that line appear as if, well, as if it's not there. And we use the transform tool again, make sure the link is connected, and simply take the value down to 0, and it's almost like it disappears. We've done this so many times now. We're going to create a classic tween so that what we now see is that the line grows like this. Okay, now we are going to make, for the first time, a change to two layers. We're going to change the line layer and the universe layer. So at 55 we highlight both of these layers and we insert keyframe. Remember, the universe layer is locked, so I'm going to unlock that because we're going to make a change, making sure again that green highlighter is in both layers. Then what we're going to do in 55 is we're going to move both of these layers down, and also using the transform tool we're going to take it down to, oh, I don't know, something like 75% or so. That'll do us fine. And there we go, we've changed two layers at once. Now the one thing that we want to do with the universe layer is we want this change from one frame to another to be over 5 frames. So again at 50, just on the universe layer, we will insert a keyframe so that we can then on both layers click and create a classic tween. So a little bit confusing what's been going on there, but we should certainly see that that does what we want it to do. So there we are. Just take your time, watch this video again if you're not quite clear of the steps that we put in place here. So this is the first time in our timeline that we've moved from one keyframe to another, and we haven't had a classic tween on the universe layer, and that's how it's meant to be. See how you get on.